Today I'm going to go over how to create a custom forming tool using SOLIDWORKS Sheet Metal. I'm starting with this 3D design of a keyhole I want to emboss in a sheet metal design. It's very simple to create a forming tool. You just need to go to the Sheet Metal tab and click Forming Tool. Then select the stopping face and the faces you want to be removed. Clicking OK will show me a preview of what the embossed design will look like. Everything in yellow will be kept, the red will be removed, and the blue is where it will line up with the original sheet metal part. Now I need to save this part as a forming tool. To do this, I simply go File, Save As, switch the file type to be Forming Tool. This will direct you to the correct design library location, and then you just need to put it in the Forming Tools folder. You can rename the file and then click Save. Now switching over to a sheet metal part. If I go to my design library, I can see the keyhole forming tool that I just created is already there. And I can just drag and drop this part onto my sheet metal component. I can select the face, which will line up with the stopping face of the forming tool. And if I wanted, I can use the position tab to use sketches to determine exactly where this forming tool should be located on my part. When I hit OK, you can see that the part is now embossed into my sheet metal design.